Time is precious, so waste it wisely. Keep traveling, and I guess is what I'm doing it. Although most of the people think that I am a nomad without a fixed residence. I'm an irresponsible person who only think about to have fun, which in a way is true, without thinking about a future in his own country, with his little house, his dog, his wife and kids. Well, let's say that I'm pretty far from this type of lifestyle. I'm addicted to my lifestyle and the things that I enjoy in doing. By the way, I'm in the Philippines. Another crazy adventure is about to start. To give you some context, let me share how I ended up in the Philippines. After traveling extensively around the world, working on a video editing project, I decided to take a few months off in Italy to recharge. Good morning. One of the last coffee. It's 5 p.m. I checked the flight, it's on time, and Seba is gonna come and pick me up in 15 minutes.
And the land is dark.
This is Malpensa Airport outside. It's the 28th of August, and I'm heading to Manila. Man, just past the security control, I'm heading to having a coffee. Just right there, it's my gate, B8. First leg is gone. The journey was okay. I'm in Abu Dhabi. In about like an hour, I will catch the second flight from Abu Dhabi to Manila. Got to Manila, safe and sound, in time. Now I have to get through the security control. Let's see. Okay, got to through the security control. I had to fill it up a form that I didn't know. Last leg, Manila Busuanga. One of the smallest plane. Busuanga, 3 days.
Stand by me.
These passages provide the keys insight about the Philippines. The Philippines is an archipelago in Southeast Asia composed of over 7,100 islands, with a tropical climate and average temperature of 27 degrees. Obtaining a visa for Philippines is relatively easy, offering a 30-day free stay, with the option to extend it, available for most nationalities. The capital, Manila, is a common entry point for travelers, but it's recommended to continue to other destinations by using local transportation. Philippines is generally an affordable destination. Air travel within the country can be costly, and the traveling by boat might be slower. The Philippine people are sociable and helpful, although some might be shy. I found them personally really friendly. Safety varies by location, with certain areas in Manila considered potentially dangerous. The cuisine might not be universally enthusiastic, but there are interesting culinary experiences to be had. The Philippines is known for the stunning marina beauties and a tropical forest on the island, making a must visit for nature enthusiasts. If you are thinking of exploring the entire Philippines with a single month, it's not quite possible. This country requires more time to truly experience. With only 1 month at my disposal, I focused my visit on the Palawan archipelago, specifically on the island of Busuanga. Join me as I guide you through its top attraction. Lovely people, I'm in Coron, Busuanga Island, west of Manila. However, the place is nice, the weather is unbearable. It's super humid. Did you see? This is a tricycle and really common here in Philippines. I'm situated in Coron, the primary city of this island, which is likely where you will stay if you visit. Despite being a small village, it offers a variety of accommodation, from luxurious hotel and backpackers hostels. Restaurant and bar are plentiful, and the nightlife here is quite lively. You will also find plenty of places for currencies exchange and banks. Moreover, there are markets where you can purchase all your essentials. Unfortunately, there are no beaches in the immediate area, so if you want to experience some beach life, you will need to rent a boat. It's advisable to have at least 6 people to keep the boat rental cost reasonable. There are numerous organized tours of various kinds that can pick you up from your hotel to explore the surrounding islands. Price vary depending on the tour you choose, but generally stay under the 30 euros. One of the most well-known options is the Coron Island Open Tour, which typically starts with a hotel pickup between 7:30 to 8 a.m. The tour covers sites like Kanangan Lake, Barracuda Lake, without barracuda, luckily, Twin Lagoon, Kayak you rented? Good.
We drive from here.
Say hi.
Hi!
Skeleton Wreck, and CYC Beach. And includes lunch. Needless to say, you're gonna visit a wonderful place that will stay in your memory forever. If you are interested in relaxation, there are a spa located about 10 kilometers away from Coron, offering a perfect retreat. Booking a pre-organized package can save you some money. If you enjoy hiking, there is a hill to climb where you can enjoy a breathtaking view, provided the weather is clear. And the Philippine chapter is about to end. I was pleasantly surprised about the beauty of this country. The people here are extremely welcoming. Even if I came here on the raining season and it was raining like hell every day, I have to say that I had a really good time. The natural beauty of this country is truly amazing. I will definitely gonna come back in this country as I saw the 10% of the entire country. As always, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question or thought, please leave it on the comment down below. Next trip or adventure, it will be in Indonesia, specifically in Bali.